They were whipping Haitians at the border. Whipping. Texas Rangers on horseback had real-life whips that they were whipping Haitians looking for asylum at the border, screaming at them to go back to Mexico, go back where you came from, go back, you don't belong here. I don't care what side you're on. If you find any of this acceptable, you are dead inside. I don't care what the next words out of your mouth are. If any of this is acceptable to you, this should never happen. Never. Is any part of Texas redeemable? This is appalling. I don't even want to call myself a fucking American. There's nothing left to save here. We're supposed to stop suffering and inhumanity. That's what we're supposed to do. This is indefensible. We're supposed to stop suffering and inhumanity. For fuck's sake, show compassion. I gotta stay off this app for a couple days.